Credit Tip 3: Check your credit report a minimum of every 3 to 6 months. Your credit is usually the last thing on your mind until you need it. You are entitled to get a free credit report annually from each of the bureaus Equifax and TransUnion. Tips: You need to be check credit bureau on a regular basis. Check your credit report every 3 to 6 months at a minimum. Why? How about identity theft? It's more common now than a shooting star? When worked hard to rebuild and maintain your credit, it's hard to see inaccurate or derogatory reporting information. Making sure your credit report is accurate: the credit bureaus simply report the data given to them, but they make mistakes, and credit reports are used as collection tools. Correct the mistakes. You must be vigilant and protect your credit, because no one else will. Incorrect items on your report, incomplete information, old debts, they can push your scores down. It's important to be proactive so that your credit remain accurate and protected. Go check your credit. Ask me how you can check your credit report free.